to install free games. You can install Aptoide you must to install Aptoide and download Aptoide for installing and downloading games free. How to download Aptoide? You must to go in internet or browser and tap Aptoide. Click on the first and tap Install Aptoide. And here you can do a name for this. When you will download, when there is download, you can install it, but now we can just wait. Tap on Aptoide and tap install. And just few seconds you will have the Aptoide. And before installing, you can open it. Tap Allow, and here you can install free games. I'm showing you a game who is he isn't free. Just a minute. Here he is. I can install it, but before I will show you guys. This isn't free in Play Store. I'm going to Play Store. And here this isn't free. This is not free. And here guys, I will go in Aptoide and I will install this with free. just some minutes. And this was just 5 minutes. And this is 50%. Now it's 55%. Do you know who is this animation? Aptoid would like to get root access. But I'm done with this one. Minecraft, I am tapping install because it downloads. Just 3 minutes. Look, I am opening this file with don't any dollar. Here I am going. Here I can play. And this was all. Thank you for watching.